In this video, we will go over where you can find the Capstone manual in Blackboard and review some important information that the manual has to offer. So in Blackboard, if you click on the Organizations tab here, you should see this page pop up. We'll click on Ruskin OTD Student Organization, find Program Manuals, and click on the Capstone manual. You should be redirected to this page here, where we have our table of contents, followed by a letter from the Capstone coordinator. This is Dr. Blair Carson, and she will be your Capstone coordinator throughout your Capstone process. Any questions or clarification that you need, she will be your first contact. So you can reach out to her and she will be happy to answer any of your questions. And all of her contact information is down here. Then we move on to some definitions. I'm going to skip through this because we did discuss some of these already. Next, we have the philosophy and the mission of the program, as well as some policies. Again, many of these policies are similar to the policies in our policy module. So I'm just going to breeze through these. Next, we have our ACOTE standards, which we did discuss. If you'd like to look at them in greater detail, you can find them in the Capstone manual here. Following that, we have an overview of the Capstone experience and the project, as well as the diagram of the relationship between the two. I'm going to move on to this next section here, where we have our fillable copy of the professional portfolio. This is just a template that students can use in order to do their cover letter, resume, and any letters of recommendation. This is another great resource for students. So this is some examples of the experience and the project. So if you're a little bit confused of what direction you'd like to take, these are some really great examples here. We have some more on this next page. Next, we move into some fillable documents. This is a brainstorming sheet and a Capstone experience planning sheet here. These will be filled out in your Capstone courses and provide you with a better sense of the direction you'd like to head when you start your Capstone experience. Again, some goals and objectives here that you'll be filling out. Your proposal, and then we'll move on to the MOU and some important documents. You'll fill these out and send them to either your site mentor or your faculty mentor for signatures. This will ensure that you're meeting all of your goals and objectives throughout the 14 weeks. I'm going to skip through some of this and head down to the evaluating the doctoral capstone section. So here you have all of your midterm evaluations and final evaluations. So you'll fill in all of your goals and objectives, and your site mentor will distinguish if you have accomplished those. So all of the evaluations will be in here for your reference. The next section we have will outline the timelines. So each of these will get sent to your site mentor once a week. So it'll have all of your on-site and off-site hours, as well as all of the things that you accomplished in that time. That'll get sent to your site mentor for their signature, and you will hand that in via Blackboard. So the last thing I really wanted to go over was the templates for the capstone project. Each of the papers are listed here. So we have first our quantitative research, and it'll outline exactly what should be in each chapter to ensure you have all of the pieces. And then it moves on to qualitative research and so on. So each one of the papers will be listed in here. We have our mixed methods, program development, systematic review, etc. So you can find the exact template that you need for your project in here. And each of those is listed. So I hope that was helpful and you're able to take something from this. Again, I know this was very brief. However, you should go in and read the entire capstone manual. Make sure you're filling out all of the important information and feel ready for your capstone experience when it comes time.